Welcome back to Tyler and Anna Talk. My name is Anna.
And I'm Tyler, and we're nutritionists at Beach Medical.
So today we're going to be talking about vitamins and minerals, and this kind of goes into play how we can make our plate look like a rainbow.
Yeah.
So the more colors, the better. And I always tell the kids who I work with, we want to fill your plate with tons of colors to make it prettier, but also to add in those extra nutrients.
Yeah, because it's fun how different vitamins actually give fruits and vegetables their colors. Yeah. And so you can kind of know what is in a fruit or a vegetable in terms of the vitamin that's in that just by the color of it.
Yeah,
which is really cool.
It's
so we'll
really
talk about
cool.
that.
It's really neat. And so I guess the most common vitamins and minerals are vitamin C.
Yeah.
And that's very important. So everyone knows it boosts your immune system. So examples are oranges.
Like the citrus stuff and grapefruits, things like
oranges, yellow colors, broccoli and greens, they actually have a lot of vitamin C as well.
Yeah, right.
And it's great for wound healing. So if you are injured, it's really great for that. And then hair, it definitely adds thickness and makes your hair not as corkscrew. Yeah.
Cool.
It's really interesting.
Yeah.
And,
another one big one that everybody knows is vitamin A.
Yes.
And they may not know vitamin A, but they know that usually it has to do with your eyes and that it's usually found in those orange and yellow stuff.
Yes, it's super, super important. It actually can prevent night blindness. And
Oh, you know, have we talked about those little skin bumps that are on the back of your arms? Vitamin A is good for that.
Yes.
It's good for your skin
I
for
forgot
that.
the name of that. Super, super great thing.
Keratinization.
Yes. Good job. It's really good for your eyes and your skin. So vitamin A is found in cantaloupe, carrots, like you said, sweet potatoes,
the bell peppers.
Super, super good. And I guess another important vitamin is vitamin D.
Yep,
So
the sunshine vitamin. Yeah, I mean, it's in dairy products are usually fortified with vitamin D, but the way that we get most of our vitamin D is actually just from being outside and soaking up the sun. Obviously, you don't want to be out for too long, don't want to get sunburned, but you do want to get out there enough without sunscreen, just in little splits, little bits, so that you can absorb that, and then your skin changes it into vitamin D that you can then.
Yeah, it helps prevent osteoporosis and
bones. And especially for women, it's one of the supplements in our essentials pack because women, and especially during the 2 years before and after menopause, bone health plummets, and having an adequate amount of vitamin D in your system helps prevent that from decaying. So
yeah, that's
definitely
good for your bones.
Note.
Definitely a good note. And then vitamin E. Yes,
it's an antioxidant.
Yes.
So what that means is it protects your cells from damage. So those are really, really important vitamins to get in, and that's in olive oil. Safflower is the biggest source.
Safflower. I don't really buy safflower. I don't really know where that's at.
That's in some things, but
canola.
But yeah, it's really good with fats. It's usually found in fatty things like olive oils and the oils like that because it needs fat to work in our bodies.
Yeah. And then iron. Well, again, that's in a lot of greens. So dark leafy greens.
Yeah. And then meat in your your red meats, like beef and stuff like that. And speaking of that, that kind of brings me back to we skipped over the B vitamins, which really good for your metabolism. Basically, when you put things in your body, those B vitamins are there to help break up food. And when it does that, it releases energy. So it makes you feel really great. But if you're especially a vegetarian, you really have to be careful because it's really found in a lot more meat products than it is in fruits and vegetables. It is in some fruits and vegetables, but not in adequate amounts.
And a lot of the B vitamins, if you have a deficiency in them, they can cause rashes, just lots of things, deficiencies. But it's kind of common. It's not common to have deficiencies in B vitamins as long as you like whole grains, like meat, vegetables. It's pretty easy to take in.
And if you come get your B shots here.
Yeah. And then another really important one, lycopene. So that's kind of, not a lot of people know about it, but they're found in red fruits and vegetables, watermelon. For men, they help with prostate. They help reduce the risk of prostate cancer, and it also helps prevent cancer too, just overall cancer. So that's really great.
That's a good one.
It's just great to have colors in your food.
I mean, we went a lot into what these things do, but the best way to help you stay healthy is to just keep eating the rainbow. Yeah. All your reds, all your oranges, yellows, greens, purples.
Yeah. Those exist. So say you're eating a taco, how can we add more colors?
Oh, you get your lettuce on there or spinach. I kind of actually like to go spinach route if I can. Yeah. So some of that. You can tomatoes for the salsa.
You can add avocado, another green.
Oh, yes.
There's just so many different things that you can do to add. You can smoothies add in just So many different things. It's so easy.
And there's like yellows squash, and then
Yeah.
you got your green zucchini, and you've got like orange peppers, and yeah, there's lots of veggies out there. You just gotta experiment a little bit.
Yes.
And cook things differently. Like don't be afraid to try different cooking methods,
Right.
because that makes things taste better sometimes.
So if you feel like you are lacking anything, just add more colors in your diet, and hopefully that will help. But if you guys have any other good recommendations or some vitamins and minerals that you take every day and how you incorporate them into your food, just drop them in the comments below. And do you have any other thing you want to mention?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I think I'm good. So we will see you guys next time. Bye.